After spending 100 plus hours building marketing systems, content systems, outreach systems using Claude, Claude Code, and Claude Cowork, it's come to my attention that a lot of people don't know about the simple way to download 8 marketing skills that Anthropic already built for you. So if you're looking to get into marketing using AI, specifically Claude, in the next 5 minutes, you will have 8 skills that are set up for you. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to boost or enhance those skills so you could get more out of them. They're already ready. Claude already built them. Anthropic already gave them to you. You just have to download them, and this is how you do it. By the way, I know these marketing tactics work because I use Claude all the time. We've done over $1 million for our clients. We have dozens of client case studies, testimonials, and reviews. So Claude and AI and marketing, they do work when you set it up correctly, but a lot of people are overwhelmed of where to start. Here is how you start. All right, so first thing is you're going to need Claude. You're probably going to need the $20 a month subscription. I'm telling you, if you just use these skills, you will make your money back. Download the desktop app. Now you are all caught up. A lot of you guys already have that. You're now in your Claude. You are going to go to customize. Amazing. And then you are going to navigate to plugins right here. Now, the way that plugins work is plugins house skills. So you'll have a plugin and then 10 skills under a plugin. We are going to simply download this marketing plugin. It is that simple. You're going to hit plugins plus browse plugins. You're going to see Anthropic and partners. So these are official plugins by Anthropic, which built Claude, and you will see marketing right here. There you go, marketing, super simple. Now, you're gonna see a plus if you have not downloaded this already. I'm just going to hit settings just to show you what this is all about. So again, marketing, under the marketing plugins are skills, all right? And these are those skills. You have your brand voice skill, campaign planning, competitive analysis, content creation, performance analytics, brand review, campaign plan, and so forth, all right? So there's actually more than just 8. There are a bunch of pre-made skills that are already there for you, okay? So again, you go to your connectors. You're going to back out. You're going to go to customize, go to plugins. You're going to add it, browse plugins, official, marketing, boom, hit plus. Now you have installed all of these already. You have these ready to go for you already. All right. Now you could customize these, and this is what I recommend you do. I recommend you talk with Claude, customize these skills under this plugin for yourself. And one more thing I want to show you about customizing these actual skills is if you go to one of the skills, you could edit it and customize it with Claude. So if I wanted to plan my campaign using the campaign planning skill, I could customize it to match what I want to do for my company, which I recommend everyone do. So you could customize it with Claude. It'll bring you to a chat. You could customize the skill there. You could also customize it in VS Code or within the folder itself. All right. So we'll go back to customize, go back to marketing. You could customize all of these skills already. All right, which is great. So you customize all of these. There you go. Now, one thing you'll also see is the way that this is called in is dynamically and by slash command. So trigger. If I wanted to trigger the content creation skill, I could do slash content creation and it would trigger in a Claude chat, or sometimes it will automatically be pulled based on what I'm talking about already. So if I'm in Claude and I'm talking about content creation, I might just automatically draw this skill in, which is also pretty valuable. All right. So once this is tailored to you and it's working for you, this will basically be applied to relevant situations within your Claude. So it's already helping you automatically without you having to call in the skill automatically every single time. All right. Now, one more thing I want to show you of how to get the most out of it is with connectors. So connectors connect live data. So I have my Airtable, my Canva, GitHub, Gmail, Google Drive, kit.com is my email newsletters, Slack, all these different things. So now on top of having a skill like this skill here, so on top of having the performance analytics skill, on top of just this, it now has live data from my actual YouTube, from my actual Instagram, from my actual TikTok. So live data plus a skill is the best result. All right. So you always want to make sure that you're connecting the connectors first and then layering the skills on top of it. So the skill is looking at live data from your actual situation, right? So in summary, you could download these 12 ready to go skills from Anthropic themselves by downloading the market plugin, by again going to customize, going to plugins, browse plugins, hit on the marketing right here. You can see all the different capabilities. You could customize them, and then you could add connectors to make that data live. So now you have live Claude skills with your live data for marketing in about 5 minutes. All right. So I just want to talk to you guys about that really quickly. A lot of you guys don't know it exists. A lot of you don't know that that actually existed. This should give you a good head start so you can build on top of it. If you liked videos like this, I have so many more advanced techniques for AI and marketing on my channel. Also have a community down below of people generating leads with social media, content, marketing, and cold outreach just like this. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave that down in the description. Otherwise, enjoy this video. If you like this video, leave a subscribe and watch this one next. I guarantee you'll get some value out of that, and I will see you there. Talk soon.